get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Leaving school is a big moment in your life. Some people are lucky and seem to have it sussed and have their next step all planned out. They may be going to college or have a job. They're sorted. But what if you don't know what you want to do? What if you left school with no qualifications, or you don't have the skills you need to get a job? That can be tough because finding work is very difficult without the proper skills. If all this sounds just like you, then doing a traineeship could be the answer. Traineeships are courses designed to help anyone aged 16 to 17 who is unemployed, not doing any type of course, and still not sure what type of job they want to do.
I left school and I went to college, and then I came here because college isn't for me. I can't learn very well in a classroom full of people. Whereas I came here and there's not many people in this room, as you can see, and I get on with my work. My tutors are really helpful. If I need any help, I know I can just ask. It's easy to get on with your work, you don't get distracted, and yeah, there's help whenever you need it.
It's helped me a lot because I wasn't on the right path before I come on here. I was just messing around, getting in trouble.
A traineeship will help you to build on your skills so you can take the next step and go on to college, do an apprenticeship, or maybe find a job. But as well as giving you skills, a traineeship will give you something else. Time. Time to decide what type of job interests you. There are courses covering many different types of jobs, so you're bound to find something you really like doing. What about catering, building or engineering? Or animal welfare, childcare or hairdressing? Or maybe you're interested in a job in IT, business administration or media. There's loads of choice, but don't worry, there's loads of help and advice too. And if you don't like one course, you can change and try and do something else. The important thing is that you enjoy what you are doing, because if you enjoy it, the likelihood is you'll do better at it.
I was a hairdresser at first, and then I moved to construction because I didn't find hairdressing was the one for me. I've learned loads, how to do joints, how to do a wall, how to plaster a wall.
A traineeship will help you learn the skills to get on in life. The tutors are there to give you all the support you need, but it's nothing like school. You'll be trusted to get on with it.
In here, you get to do your own thing. If you don't set yourself targets, you won't get nowhere. You're basically your own boss here. You have to choose your work you want to do, and then you have to figure out your weaknesses and your strengths in motor vehicle.
You're treated like adults. As long as you show respect, they'll show respect, and they haven't got a problem helping you. Like if you haven't got a clue what to do, they haven't got a problem with you asking, they'll just show you how to do it.
The tutors and assessors are lovely. They look after you. If you've got any problems, you can just ring their mobile. They can come and visit you in the salon, and they can talk you through. If you're not sure about cuts, you just tell them, they can talk you through it. They're really, really, really friendly.
So if you didn't get on at school or didn't get the qualifications you hoped for, then don't worry. Doing a traineeship is a brilliant way to build your confidence and learn.
When I was in school, I was bullied and I didn't know how to read well. My confidence was really, really, really low. But ever since I came here, it's helped me progress my confidence, my communication skills, and meeting absolutely lovely people.
I would recommend it to anyone. It's a new environment, it's completely different to school, and it is a big step from school, but it's a good one.
Coming here, the tutors had a lot more expectations for me, rather than when I was in school, they were just like, you will never achieve anything. The traineeship has given me a step, a foot in the door. I'd say to anyone, just give it a shot, just apply, because it's brilliant.
But what happens after your traineeship? What's the next step? Well, that's up to you. With a traineeship under your belt, you'll find loads of doors will open up for you.
20 years time I see myself running my own business, employing employees and then teaching them to be trained carpenters and joiners.
My ambition is to run my own salon, specialising in afro hair. I'll be aiming it at all different ages and maybe a bit of beauty involved in the salon as well.
I've applied to do level 2 at college, and I hope that will take me on to A-level film studies, and then I would like to go on to do university as well.
After this course, I'm actually going into a job with horses, so I'm going in as a groom. I'm hoping to go into the mounted police in the future, and that's what I'm working up towards now and getting my experience in.
I'm thinking about going to college and doing my level 2 after I finish here, so yeah, it's going to be good.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about doing a traineeship.